Let's start na, let's start. Katulad ulit ng ginawa natin kanina. We're going to answer questions. Six. Lang hindi ko makita. Mas na lang. Mag-review kayo.
Wala na kasi
Nakikita ng
Ano?
lahat? Nakikita?
Yes. Ano sabi mo, banjo? Ha? Banjo?
Okay, what are the three types? Okay na, what are the three types of proportion again?
Direct, partitive,
Direct,
inverse.
partitive. Tapos inverse.
Paano pag sinabi nating direct? What do you mean by that, Jovan? Pag direct, when we say direct, ano nga pag direct?
Times. Ay.
Anong times? Kapag direct, if the other ratio is increased, the other one will increase too. How about inverse?
Oh.
Yes, Andrea.
Increase, decrease.
And
Increase,
decrease.
decrease.
Okay, increase
Increase,
and
decrease.
decrease. How about partitive?
Kaya nyo na yan.
Partitive. Partitive, you're going to part your ratio. Okay, alam niyo na kung paano mag-solve nun, di ba? Paano mag-solve ng direct?
Opo.
You're going to
Fraction.
form into fraction and then cross multiplication and then divide. And then sa inverse, you're going to multiply the ratio.
And then
And
divide.
then divide. Sa partitive, you're going to use the ADM. Addition muna nung pag ito, nung ratio and then divide dun sa total and then multiply. Okay. How about this? Choose an example
wala
of...
akong notebook.
Nasaan na notebook mo?
Nandun sa kabilang kwarto.
May papel ka naman yata dyan.
Wala, sir.
Kunin mo na, bilisan mo. Okay. Sabi dito, choose an example of direct proportion. Ano nga pag sinabing direct proportion? If the other ratio will increase, the other one will increase too. Okay, choose. Alin dyan? Letter A. If 6 people take 2 days to pick the apples from a tree, how many days will it take 5 people to do the same job? Diba kahapon, binigyan ko kayo nung mga keyword. And then letter B. 4 big water bottles can hold 8 gallons of water. How much water can 10 big water bottles hold? Alin kaya dyan ang direct proportion? Banjo. Oh, Joban.
Po.
Alin dyan ang direct proportion? Is it letter A or letter B?
Wait.
Sabi ni Kian, it's letter B. How about you, Joban?
Asan na tayo, sir?
Dito,
Ewan.
choose an example of direct proportion.
Increase. Bilog. Bilog.
Oh, why B?
Kasi
Why?
big. Yeah.
Anong kasi B? Why B?
Number A. Wait.
Hmm?
Number B. Number B. Number B? Both. It's just the same. It's both. Increasing.
Ano yung letter A? Example siya ng ano? Set. Example siya ng ano set?
Ah! Partitive.
Partitive, letter A?
Yes.
Hmm?
Because it's finding inverse siya. Inverse.
Wait lang, wait lang.
A inverse.
A inverse
Inverse.
kasi it's finding a job. Inverse siya. 64.
Yes, Stephen. Sabi ni Stephen, yung letter A daw is
Inverse.
inverse. Di ba pag inverse, binigyan ko na kayo ng
May
keywords.
may job or
and
work.
works. Kapag, and direct. Kapag direct, kapag hindi siya, inverse and
Increase and
partitive.
increase.
Increase, pare silang nag-increase. Constant yung pag-increase nila at pag-decrease. Okay, letter B is an example of direct proportion. Okay? Ayan, as you can see here, in 4 big water bottles can hold 8 gallons of water. Nag-increase siya sa 10. Nasaan na yung ating pen? And then dito naman sa letter A, inverse siya kasi siya is nag-decrease. Magdi-decrease siya ng days. Ayan o. Days. Days ang tinatanong dito and then dito is water. Okay, next. Choose an example of inverse proportion.
B.
Letter?
B. Yung A,
Letter?
ayun no, may B kasi may job yung baba. No, it's not.
And then yung letter A, example siya ng ano, kapag hindi siya inverse and
Partitive.
partitive. Partitive ba yung
Direct.
Diba pa kapag partitive, meron siyang total.
Total.
Diba?
How much in total can the fabric?
Okay, next. Partitive. Choose an example of partitive. Alin dyan ang partitive? Partitive yung may total.
B.
Letter?
B.
Letter B. The ratio of 3 sides of triangle is 1:2:3. What are the measurement of each side if the perimeter of the triangle is 120 cm? When we say perimeter kasi sa triangle at sa mga shape, ito yung total equal nung side. Okay? Total equal nung side. Total pa rin siya. Naintindihan nyo yung pagkakaiba ng tatlo? Naintindihan nyo? Ang tandaan nyo dyan, ang tandaan nyo lang dyan is yung inverse and partitive. Pag partitive, meron siyang total. Kapag inverse, meron siyang job or work. And then, kapag hindi siya inverse and partitive, automatic siya ay direct. And then, PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for set.
Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Addition and subtraction. This is the order of operation. Okay. Kapag meron tayong, for example, we have 2 times 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 5. Okay.
4 plus 5 is 9, minus 7.
Okay na. Alin ang uunahin natin dito?
Yung plus sa loob ng parenthesis.
We're going to proceed tayo dito sa parenthesis. And then, sa parenthesis, alin ang unahin?
Plus.
Plus. Okay. Negative 4 plus 5. What will be the answer?
Wait, what? Negative 4
Plus
5?
5.
9.
Negative 4 plus 5.
4.
Meron silang different sign.
Negative 1.
Okay, correct. Stephen said it's 1. Why 1?
Wait, how?
Paano siya naging 1? Kasi, di ba, if we have, sa addition ng sign, if we have negative plus positive, ang gagawin natin is subtraction, right? Kasi meron tayong magkaibang dito, sign. We have different sign here. We have positive and negative. That's why we're going to subtract. Okay? Subtract natin yon. And then, kapag na-subtract na natin, yung sign, ang gagayahin natin is yung may malaking number. What is the big number between negative 4 and positive 5? Andrea?
5.
5. That's why it is positive 1. Okay?
I don't get it.
Why you don't get it?
This is what made me fail, PEMDAS.
PEMDAS. Ito lang yan,
I
oh.
never get it.
Diba here, unahin natin tong plus. We have negative 4 plus 5. We have different sign. That's why we're going to subtract. If we're going to subtract, the answer will be 1. Positive 1. Positive 1 kasi po, we copy the sign of the biggest number here, which is 5. And then, the positive 7, magiging 7 plus 1 na siya. That's why it will become, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis ay magiging 8, right?
8.
8. And then, 2, bring down 2, 2 times 7 plus
14.
8. And then, anong unahin natin? Addition or multiplication? Andrea?
Multiplication.
That's why we're going to multiply 2 times 7. 2 times 7.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
14. 14 plus 8.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
22. 22.
22. So, our answer here is 22. Naintindihan nyo kung paano? Andrea,
Poonte.
ikaw. Andrea, ikaw. Naintindihan?
Konti lang. Yung last part, yeah.
Itong nasa parenthesis lang ang hindi.
Opo.
For example, another one. We have 2 plus 6
Di na pero pati sa patkanto.
minus 8 times 2 minus 4. Alin ang unahin natin? Di ba yung nasa parenthesis? Okay, sa loob ng parenthesis, anong unahin natin? 8 times 2 o 2 minus 4? Andrea? Alin ang unahin natin? Andrea.
Allen Butcher.
Open your camera. Open your camera.
8 times 2.
8 times 2. What is the answer? Open your camera, ha? Set, open your camera. 8 times 2?
Teka lang. 8 times 2. 16.
16. And then after this, the answer of 8 times 2 will be subtracted to 4, right?
Yes.
And then 16 minus 4?
Is 12.
12. Then 2 plus 6 minus yung sagot dito sa 16 minus 4, which is 12. And then anong unahin natin? Addition and or subtraction?
Addition.
2 plus 6?
8.
8. 8 minus 12?
4.
Is it 4?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Gagayahin natin yung may malaking sign. Nagigets kung paano?
Apo.
Okay, next. It is a calendar is a system of organizing days. Makita. Days. This is done by giving names to periods of times, typically days, weeks, months, and years. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Diba yung calendar is na pag-aralan natin, meron siyang years, meron siyang days, it contains days, weeks, months, and years. How many days do we have in a week? How many days do we have in a week?
7.
7.
7.
How about weeks in a month?
4.
Or 3. Kasi
Three.
if you mostly have, if you go to February, it will be only konti lang. Kaya
Yes,
if you go to a normal month like January, it will be 4 weeks.
Okay. How about months? How many months in a year?
12.
12. Okay. How many days in a year?
363.
365.
5.
Okay. Next, the ratio is the relation between the qualities of two or more objects. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Di ba yung ratio, relationship
True.
siya between two or more objects. For example, yung in-example ko sa inyo na meron tayo, sa isang bowl is meron tayong 5 oranges and then 2 apples. So, ang ratio niya is 5:2. So, meron silang relationship. Kasi pareha silang nasa iisang bowl. Okay? Next. Simplify 45 to 15. Let's simplify. Let's simplify. How are we going to simplify? What are we going to do first? First, we're going to get the
GCF.
GCF, greatest common factors. These are, this is the number that if we multiply, we can get the 45 and 15 or any number. Common dito sa dalawang number na to. Okay, let's simplify 45 and 15. Ano yung number na pwede nating i-times na ang sagot ay 45? Iyan. 15 times 3. Ano pa?
I'm not sure. 15. 1 times
45.
15 times 3. How about sa 15?
3 times
15.
5 times
15.
5 times 3.
5 times 3.
Tama. 1 times 15.
1 times 15. How
The
about
the biggest number is 15.
so the biggest number here is
15.
15, right? And then we're going to
Right there. And right there.
divide. We're going to divide 15 sa both side, okay?
Yes. So
45 divided by 15.
45 divided by 15 is 3.
3.
And then 15 divided by 15 is 1.
1.
So your
equal answer.
simplify is 1.1.
3 to 1.
3 is to 1.
1.
How about the 100 is to 25?
Okay. 1 times
100 is to
100.
25.
1 times 100. 25
Right.
plus 5. What? Then si 25. 5 times 20, 25. 5 times 5. What is happening? Wait, kami po magsasolve, sir.
Yeah.
Ay, okay. Bless you.
Simplify po, sir.
Simplify. It's already 11 na. Anong sunod nyo?
Science.
Science. Our answer here is 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1, not point. 4 is to 1. Okay, so pag simplify, you're going to find the GCF first. And then sa find the value of n, anong unang gagawin natin? Step 1 is to transform it to fraction. Then cross multiplication and then divide. May notes naman kayo na no? Parang ano din to?
Opo.
Okay.
Direct.
Parang direct. Kapag inverse, multiply, then divide, and when partitive, use the ADN. Naintindihan? May question?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, bye!
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, teacher.